Have you noticed that after 50, your body feels stiff every morning? Your back feels tight, your knees don't want to move, your hands feel heavy, and it takes several minutes just to feel normal. Most people think this is just old age, nothing can be done. But that is not fully true. Today, I will explain why your body feels stiff every morning after 50, and more importantly, what actually helps. This video is not a medical treatment, but these simple ideas can make a real difference in your daily comfort and movement. Let's begin. Why morning stiffness happens. As we age, 3 important changes happen in the body. First, joint fluid becomes thicker. When you don't move for several hours during sleep, your joints don't get enough lubrication. Second, muscles lose flexibility. After 50, muscles recover more slowly, especially if you move less during the day. Third, blood circulation slows down at night. Less movement means less oxygen reaching your muscles and joints. That is why stiffness feels worst in the morning and improves gradually once you start moving. Common mistakes. Many people unknowingly make morning stiffness worse. They wake up and bend forward suddenly. They rush out of bed. They avoid movement because they fear pain. This actually increases stiffness over time. The body needs gentle movement, not sudden pressure and not complete rest. What actually helps? Here are habits that truly help when done daily. First, slow movement before getting out of bed. Gently move your ankles, knees, and hands for 1 minute. Second, drink water after waking up. Dehydration makes joints stiffer. Third, 5 minutes of gentle stretching, not exercise. Stretching tells the body it is safe to move. Fourth, consistent daily walking, even slow walking. Consistency matters more than speed. Finally, good sleep posture. Poor sleeping positions increase morning stiffness. Morning stiffness after 50 is common, but it is not something you must accept silently. Small daily habits create long-term comfort. If this video helped you, please like and share it with someone over 50. And remember, this content is for awareness only and not a replacement for medical advice. See you in the next video.